One of the hardest paradoxes to understand is in your fitness journey, you will always want to achieve more at any cost. You'll maybe hop on gear, you'll buy all the right supplements, you'll push yourself more in the gym, you'll stay up later, you'll wake up earlier, you'll push your food, you'll pull your food, you'll do all these things to try get the next level outcome. And I want to explain something today because after 10 years of training, 8 years of coaching, I've learned a thing or two, and I've put my body through every single process you could imagine to find out what actually works. I like to look at myself as like a guinea pig, a human test experiment. And I've put myself over the last 6 months into some situations which, quite frankly, I never thought I would. I've always been one to push the natural status, right? And I found myself going down a pathway of anabolic steroids, taking fucking, what's it called? Masteron, testosterone, tesamorelin, just injecting all of these chemicals into my body to try get that 1% edge, right? And it got to a point where over, I think, a 3 month period of time, I went from like 80 kilos all the way to 92 kilos. I was big, I was red, I was inflamed. I felt, quite frankly, very ill. I didn't like the way things were looking. I got very, very strong. Yes, I was putting on muscle, but everything felt synthetic. Everything felt wrong. Everything felt like it wasn't well earned, right? And it took me to go up to that high end body weight to realize it's actually not what I wanted. And I think a lot of guys do this, right? They think more is better, when in reality, less done better is always more. And when it comes to building your physique, when it comes to really having a lean, strong, aesthetic body that you're proud of, that garners respect and attention from the opposite sex, because let's be honest, guys, you might not want to admit it, but a lot of you are probably trying to get in better shape to improve your confidence, have more respect, have more status, attract a higher caliber of female, and perform better in business, potentially. And I went down this path of taking these supplements, taking these performance enhancing drugs, pushing myself harder than I've ever pushed myself because I had more gas in the tank, you could say. And it led me down a path of being unauthentic, achieving results that on paper looked great, but I didn't actually want. I ruined my blood markers, especially, which took me probably the last 8 to 10 weeks to stabilize and get back to baseline where I'm not, I actually feel healthy again. Like my testosterone's back in check, my blood lipids are back in check, my LH and LFH are back in check. And it was a crazy fucking period of time for me. And the reason I'm telling you this, right, is like, you gotta know your goals. You gotta know what you're aiming at here. And you gotta make sure that the ladder you're climbing to get over this proverbial wall, which on the other side you hope, fingers crossed, has a success in which it is you want, is actually aligned, right? And this is a question I had to start asking myself when I got to the end of my first ever steroid cycle, when I was like, is what I'm doing actually yielding the results in which I truly want? Like deep it from a heart component. Because I started feeling towards the end, although the gains were incredible, they were crazy, I just didn't feel like me, right? And I didn't have any negative psychological effects. I got maybe some skin effects in terms of like back spots and stuff. And I'm not a spotty person. That was just on the come off, especially, when my body was trying to secrete all of the estrogen and stress and pressure that had been built up inside it over the last prior 12 weeks. But I got to a point where I just looked at myself and I was like, I'm not happy being this guy. I don't want to be 92 kilos. I don't want to walk through the world feeling heavy, inflamed. I want to have that lean, dialed physique that's sharp, that's athletic, that allows me to feel high energy. I can take my t-shirt off down on the beach and have that lean aesthetic look, that kind of movie star physique. And I had to go through a massive shift again. But I'm here to tell you, if you've ever been debating with maybe anabolic steroids, it's probably something that you might want to try. Yeah, it's something that you might want to try at some stage, but I'm here to kind of warn you off that it's like a pendulum. What goes up must come down. And you're going to start looking at things differently if you have done them and you don't plan on sticking to them for the rest of your life. If it's just dipping your toe into test, fair enough. But again, you have to be willing to pay the prices of what comes with that, because what goes up, as I say, must come down. And if you decide to come off the steroids, then you're going to go through a pretty rough period of time, anywhere between 12 to 16 weeks of feeling low energy, low mood, lethargic, periods of illness. Your strength's going to drop. You're not going to get the pumps that you always wanted. Your sex drive's going to be down. Your overall frequency and mood will be kind of like shooken slightly. And the list could go on. And these are just more from not only just the metaphysical underlying issues that I experienced, but from just a life perspective. Like, you just don't feel as connected. Whereas now, after going through a big health phase, dialing in my nutrition, pulling back in the training volume, realigning my standards, reevaluating where I want to be and what success truly looked and felt like, I'm now in a position where I feel the most aligned I've ever been. And I'm seeing the fruits of that alignment pay off in other aspects, like relationship, like confidence, like friendship with new networks that I've been stepping into. Even in business, guys, I'm feeling so much more sharp and fresh. I've got that jawline coming back through. I've got the body fat dropping every single day. I just feel tight and wiry and almost high performance again, which has been a bit of a grind for me to get back to, it felt. But the strategy I'm running right now, which I would recommend you guys run, is super, super simple, which is going to really improve your health, your blood markers, your free testosterone. And if you've came off the back of steroids, this will be a really good next move for you. Or even if you're just looking for a new approach to training because you've been chasing the wrong rabbit and you know you want to put yourself in a spot where things just click, feel fun, feel in flow, and impact the quality of other aspects of your life rather than like compromising them, then I would run the Aligned Aesthetics Blueprint, which is a really simple blueprint that I've made up. And you can install it straight off the bat today just with what I run through. And this could be a program that you run for the next 12 weeks to 12 months and yield results on it time and time again. So we're going to look at a couple of core components here when we're speaking about this aligned aesthetic system. First and foremost, you got to know what the core four is, right? Your physique, your purpose, your productivity, and your performance. I've distilled all of my coaching down into these four components, right? And we build them through a 4-phase system, which is stabilize, build, thrive, and mastery, which just works and it's validated and it goes time and time again like clockwork. It's just such a good system for guys to run, okay? So physique, we have to choose a clear, dialed in physique-based goal, right? What does it look like? What does it feel like when you're there? Ideal body weight, ideal body fat, what aesthetics do you have? Everyone, I don't care what they're saying, they want an aesthetic physique, they do. We know the outcomes of having the aesthetics, the confidence, the charisma, the aura, the attention, everything that comes with it is just beautiful. So physique, get clear on it. Lean, sharp, dialed, high performance. You look great in your clothes, you look even better out with them. You've got the abs coming through, you've got some veins busting on the arms, your shoulders are looking round and full, you've got a tight waist, lean athletic legs, you don't look buffed out like a bodybuilder. It's just like the ideal man's physique, right? Our wee dog's starting to make a bit of noise, so call her out there. Then we got to get clear on purpose. What is the mission, vision, and direction of your life? Who do you actually need to be within that life to manufacture the very best outcomes possible? If you can get clear on that, then you're going to collapse time because you're going to not waste any time. You're not going to be meandering through things. You're going to be clear on the destination which you're working towards, and you're going to show up every single day like the man. You're going to install the identity of him, right? Then productivity. You want to be super effective and efficient with your time and self-management. What does the ideal day look like for you to achieve these results? You can actually manufacture this. So when do you work, train, eat, sleep, have downtime, social time? You just got to get very effective with your time and self-management if you want to have a routine that serves you rather than destroys your energy and tanks your bandwidth. And this also looks at the training component as well, where we can obviously manipulate your weekly split to suit with what barriers you might have, any bottlenecks, okay? Then we've got to look at your performance, and it's not like, physical performance. as an overall, like jumping about, doing high rocks, going running. It's more your leadership, your physical and psychological performance, so you can show up sharp every single day, lead from the front with what you're doing, be a great partner, be a great friend, be a great athlete, be a great business owner, and just operate like the man you've always wanted to be. So that's the core four. And we run that through Stabilize, Build, Thrive, and Mastery, which is a 4-phase ascension. Stabilization, obviously locking in habits, routines, the discipline, the mindset, baselining our health, regulating our hormones, getting into a really tight spot, the foundation. Then we can build the physique, master that in the second phase, and really accelerate everything we're doing, because we've now built the solid foundations to allow that acclimation to take place. Thrive will be pushing the overall identity, again, setting big goals but breaking them down into micro chunks, so you can actually have a formulaic system to move through and work with every single day. And then mastery is when you've mastered the phase of life in which you're in. That could be financially, physically, mentally, spiritually. It could be any of those, but it all runs simultaneously. So we're going to actually break down the blueprint for you once we've obviously got clear in those core four, the 4 phases. Brilliant. The actual process for this. Training first. We're going to do training, mindset, lifestyle, nutrition. This is going to be super easy. So training for you guys, right? 3 days per week, upper, lower, upper. Focus on squat, bench, dead, overhead press, dips and chins, weighted, and then some accessory work for your arms, your delts, and your core. That's it. Really, really simple. How you build that program is completely up to you, but we want to install reverse pyramid training, okay? This is going to be how you get strong, how you lower inflammation through the course of the week, and how you really build a rock solid physique. That's key. Then from a nutrition component, we want to keep nutrition as simple as possible. Intermittent fasting, 12-8, 2 meals a day, at about 0.8 grams of protein per pound of ideal body weight. You want to be just in that sweet spot of calories, not too low, not too high. And you want to make sure your carbs and your fats are flexible. I don't have any importance or attachment to the carbs or fat count. I find your body just transitions really well based on needs analysis. Then from a mindset component, we want to install the AM alignment and the PM priming. If you want to grab that, actually just DM me on Instagram. I'll send it over to you. It's a really good way to regulate your nervous system, your identity and goals first thing in the morning. And then down regulate, relax, wind down, and subconsciously seduce your mind into believing that you already are on a PM. That's going to be absolutely key. Then from a lifestyle component is living life on your own terms. Low friction, high energy, social, enjoying a glass of wine, going out for the steak dinner, not feeling that you're restricted at any moment of time, and living life on your own terms by learning what's for you and what's not for you, cutting off the dead weight, any shit negative people within your life. That is what is going to keep your bandwidth clear so you can live life like the version of you that you've always wanted to be. So guys, install everything I've just touched on there. If you want any help with this, as always, just drop me a DM on Instagram or hit the link below. I can help you with this. That is a blueprint to just win and feel sharp and lean and high aura, high energy, and be the version of you that you've always wanted to be. Much love. I'll see you in the next one.